Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you a fun zigzag pattern using square knots. Let's get started. To begin, I'm going to start with the 4 cords here on the far left and tie 1 square knot. To make a square knot, I take the side on the far right, cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. That string on the left then goes over the right rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I pull that tight. Now I'm going to take the side on the left to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. The side on the right goes over that left string, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I pull it tight. Now I'm going to tie a square knot right here down below. I'm going to use the 2 from the square knot on the right side and 2 new ropes. And then I just tie my square knot as normal. Now I'm going to repeat by grabbing the 2 ropes here on the far right of the last square knot and 2 new ropes, and I'm just making that normal square knot once again. And then I repeat once more with the 4 strings on the far right. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps I did, this time going down and to the left. So I'm going to take the 2 strings on the far left from this last square knot we made and 2 new ropes. Now I will repeat this pattern, going down and to the right once again. Leaving off the 2 ropes here on the far left, I take the next 4 cords. You can keep repeating this pattern going from side to side as long as you would like. Now I'm going to make the same pattern on this side, making my zigzags the opposite direction. This means I'm going to start with the 4 cords here on the far right and tie 1 square knot. Then I move on to the next 4 ropes and repeat. be going downwards and to the right. Leaving off the 2 strings here on the end, I take the next 4 ropes. Now I will be taking my square knots down and to the left. Again, you leave the 2 ropes here off to the end and take the next 4 ropes. Just like that. So this is how you can make a really fun zigzag pattern that is simple to make as we just use square knots. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.